Thank you for joining us today as we explore how we bring the Sustainable Development Goals to life here at Ain British Academy. In this short video, we're excited to share some of our success stories, and we hope they inspire new ideas for your own school community. Guided by our school values of responsibility, resilience, and respect, AABA students understand that caring for our planet begins right here, within our classrooms, playgrounds, and daily choices. So, let's meet some of our Eco Council members.
We are Sustainable Seahorses. As Sustainable Seahorses, we read stories about how to take care of the earth.
We meet once a week in the library for an eco club.
We enjoyed visiting the little garden outside. Sometimes we see bugs. We are the Planet Pioneers.
Planet Pioneer Group is made up of Year 3 to Year 6 students. We meet once a week to discuss how we can encourage our students to be more responsible using resources like water and electricity and how to reduce waste.
The Planet Protectors group is made up of secondary students. We help plan and organize school-wide events like Earth Day, SDG Awareness Day, and implement task-led projects across the school. We also lead sustainability assemblies and support the monthly podcast.
As a TAS ambassador, I help our school focus on 5 big ideas: food, energy, transport, biodiversity, and waste. TAS helps us connect with other schools, lead change, and track our impact through real data. One of the highlights of our eco journey was participating in the Sustainable Hackathon organized by the Alliance for Sustainable Schools, or TAS. Through this experience, we learned how behavior change techniques and creative strategies can help us overcome challenges and promote sustainability initiatives within our school community.
During our IGCSE year, we supported the Eco Council in designing our pop-up style gently used uniform shop.
It was an exciting way to give uniforms a second life while supporting sustainability.
Another key drive for sustainability has come from being part of the Voices of Future Generations program, also known as the VOFG program. Since joining in 2024, we have had over 60 students write stories to promote the SDGs. Our school is also proud to have a student who produced a winning story, Zakaria Tokriti, in round 5 of VOFG.
I enjoyed my first meeting with TAS. We learned about biodiversity with schools around the world.
Our canteen uses eco-friendly spoons, forks, and plates. Also, our plastic water bottles are made of biodegradable material.
At school, we always look forward to the Book in a Box competition that promotes using recycled materials to build story boxes.
Our school frequently invites experts on sustainability to help us learn how to take care of planet Earth and how we can make a difference. Giving back to the community is really important to us at AABA. Every school term, we organize food and essential item donations to say thank you to our service team. Last year, the Year 5 students got organized to collect gently used toys, and we had a real successful second-hand toy sale. The money we collected was donated to the Red Crescent for families in need.
Taking care of our little outdoor garden also gives us a chance to practice what we learn in science.
Our students bring in eggshells, orange and banana peel to make fertilizer for our plants.
I am new to the school and I really enjoy being part of the Secondary Wellbeing Club. There are many new students who have joined various clubs and activities, and this has really helped us settle into school.
We use the eGreen learning platform to help us with Eco Club project ideas.
A project that goes beyond our school is our collaboration with the Zayed Central Library. Every month we run a sustainability-related story time called Sustainable Sundays that attract children from our school and the Alain community. Our school librarian and the sustainability lead, Miss Lakme, along with Eco Council students, volunteer during this monthly event.
I attend Sustainable Sundays with my mom and sometimes my brother at the Zayed Central Library.
We also borrow books from the library to read at home.
Our school also enjoys taking part in outdoor inter-school competitions, such as the Fashion Reimagined competition and the Inter-School Young Chefs Cooking competition. We also take educational trips to local farms and parks. The most recent highlight is our participation at the 2025 IUCN World Conservation Congress event in Abu Dhabi, where we met Russell Galt, a leading expert in conservation.
You can tune in to our monthly podcast to learn more about sustainability tips. Our Student Voice podcast is available for the public, and we welcome you to access them via Podbean.
We hope you enjoyed this journey with us. Our school is proud to support the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals by staying informed and taking action across environmental, social, and economic areas to build a more sustainable future.